front of me is Realme 12x, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard's theme. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on this icon of a color palette at the top of it. Then apply any of those themes by clicking on a perfect one for you. Clicking on this switcher next to keyboarders to switch them on or off and tapping apply. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, theme of my keyboard has changed. If you wish to customize it instead, go back to the same settings by tapping on the color palette again. Select this plus under my themes and tap on any photo that you wish to apply as your new background. Pinch it to scale, drag it to move and select next. Adjust the brightness by swiping left or right. Hit done. Manage keyboarders and select apply. So when I go back this time, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!